Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Have you ever wanted a keyless door entry method? Well, in this episode we're going to cover a way to do it with GEONFINO. Hey everybody, what's up? I am today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at a smart deadbolt created by the company called GEONFINO. Believe that's how you say it. But yes, today we're going to be taking a look at their deadbolt system, which is a smart device that you can also use things like their gateway switch to activate Alexa voice control. As you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and we dive into a little bit of the specifications. So let's hit the details and start that unboxing. Welcome to the GEONFINO G5 Smart Door Lock unboxing. This is a deadbolt right here, so very cool, very nice. Packaging quality, great. Everything is really clean, really professionally done, so you don't really feel like you're getting a Good Tech Cheap product, or do you? That's right, the quality of this is good and the price is good. But let's go ahead and dive into the box. So it's a nice little flap right here. Inside the box on the top, you have some instructions. Just kind of talk about the diameters and making sure that you have the right door hole size. You got the installation instructions right here. Very nice. Just one little page. As you see here, it's 4 steps, and then you should be going. More measurements. The GEONFINO guidebook thingy right here. I would say it's kind of like the instruction manual. That's what it is, the instruction case. Installation instructions for the G5 Smart Lock. Alright, there is the app QR code and the instructions on making sure you get everything installed the correct way and how to set up your passwords and use the app. But what's really in the box? First off, you have the face mount. So this would be the external lock face plate where you would be able to log in and sign in and put in your code. And then you have the mounting cover as well as the latch cover and the internal plate. So this is the one that's going to be used internally inside your house to lock and unlock your house. Do keep in mind you need to make sure this is in the right spot for when you install it so you don't reverse your door by accident. And the battery port is located here on the internal assembly, so the interior of the house. Access 4 AA batteries right there, and you're good to go. And what else is in the box? It looks like your keys as well as your strikers. Like it opens from the side here. And it looks like your striker. And all the screws, everything necessary to make this happen. So no need to go out and pick up any extra screws or anything like that. Here we are with the keys. Very nice. So right here are the RFID cards. This is very cool. It reminded me of hotel cards that you can use to unlock your door, as well as 2 physical keys. So no matter what, you'll be able to get into your house. Even if the battery dies, you'll still be able to get in. No need to unlock any fancy faceplate or anything like that. Here's a recharging port. So super easy, super simple. And you can pair all of this with their gateway device. But We're not going to cover that completely in this episode. We will have an episode dedicated to this one in the future. You want to make sure that your door size meets the installation specifications when installing. The back seat is either 2 or 3/8 of an inch or 2 to 3/4 of an inch. The hole in the door edge is about an inch, so about 25 millimeters. And the door is 1 to 3 out of 5 inches to 2 inches, so about 40 millimeter to 50 millimeter thick. Please note the left and right door handle has a different install method. Please make sure that you are setting the correct direction for the toggle button, which is left to right, before proceeding to the interior assembly. Otherwise, the smart door lock will not work properly. That basically means that the handle is going to be reversed, so it's not going to lock and open the way that it's supposed to in the correct direction, and it's also not going to keep the door locked itself. GEONFINO Smart Lock is committed to providing smart home solutions to make your life simple, smart, and secure. Now there's 4 ways of access to choose as you like. The smart lock has multiple unlock methods for you to choose from. Lock and unlock your smart door lock via Bluetooth, password, physical key, or the 2 IC cards. Satisfy the unlocking preference of the whole family. Get rid of the trouble caused by forgetting the key or failing to unlock the door without power. The keyless entry door lock is a good choice for home, apartment, office, and so on. Protect your privacy and keep your family safe. The virtual password design of the Deadbolt Smart Lock prevents snooping and is more secure. You can enter any number before and after the correct password as long as it contains a consecutive correct password. It's IPX65 waterproof level. That means that this thing is waterproof. The Smart Lock has an IP65 waterproof rating. The working temperature range is about -22 degrees Fahrenheit up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. That means hot or cold, this thing is going to keep working. It can withstand extreme temperatures and weather changes. Protect your home in cold winters, downpours, dry and hot summers. This keyless entry door lock is suitable for outdoor daily use. GEONFINO, you guys did a great job with the G5 Smart Deadbolt lock. Amazing. We love all the different technology behind it. It's great, but something really cool that I really liked. Hey Alexa, lock the front door. Is the fact that it has the voice control. It's phenomenal. But thank you guys for sponsoring this video and letting us bring this product to our audience, and we hope the people watching have enjoyed this, and this provides you a solution, a good tech cheap solution to secure your home and have that keyless entry method. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed wherever you're watching, look for that bell, click it for notifications, or follow us no matter what platform you're on, and leave a comment where you can. And we'll see you guys in the next review.